Hey you guys, welcome back or to my channel if you haven't been here before. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and go over this thrift haul I had at the Goodwill. Oh my gosh, I found so many things. I'm doing my bedroom in bohemian style, so I found so many things to DIY to do that, so I just could not stand it. I wanted to show them to you before I DIY everything. So let me flip the camera around. Alright, and you'll excuse my house, please. It's very messy right now because I have all this stuff out. But I got lots and lots of baskets. Oh my gosh. This one, it's really big. We're still in the process of moving, so if you see boxes in the background, that's why. But yeah, it's really long. And this one, I paid $3.99 for. But it's sturdy, and I like it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but got that one. And then I got, for Nick's room, I got these two tea light holders. And they are little cubes. And we're doing a lot of black in his room, so I really like these. And they were $1.99 each. So yeah, that's cool for those. And then I got this basket. It's a pretty good sized basket too. It's very sturdy. Oh my gosh, very sturdy. And for this one, I paid $4.99. So yeah. And then I'm gonna do a boho wall, basket wall. This was $1.99, and it's pretty big. My hands are big, but look, so it's pretty big. So I got that. I got this lampshade in white, which I'm going to add some boho to tassels, beads, something. I don't know, because I have a lamp stick already for this. And I may paint that like a more beigey or pink or something. Anyhow, moving on. I got two of these square baskets, which I already have two. This one was $2.99, and the bigger one, which that one just fell, the bigger one was $3.99. So, and they can nest if you want. I think I'm going to put them on the wall, like shelving. And I came across this. I think it's like a wall vase or candle holder. It's very long. It's probably about 24 inches long. But I'm thinking it has potential to hang it on the wall. I don't know. I'm going to do something about the black. Not crazy about the black. So we may try to paint that or go over it. I don't know, something. But anyways, this one was only $2.99. So it was an interesting piece for me. Okay. Oh, I just got a little glass. So I thought it was cute. And this one was $2.99. It has some sturdy handles. And it's really a nice, it's like a fruit basket is what it reminds me of, or tray. I like that. Okay, and then I'm going to get up and show you the other stuff that I have over here. Okay, this is some sort of little shelf. I have no idea what it's for, but I like the way it looked. This looks like a wine rack. Could be, but I like the way it looks, so I got that. And that was cheap too. It was like, I want to say $2.99. And this, it's like, for comparison, there's my hand. It's like really big, and it says, "May your walls know joy, may each room hold laughter, and may every window open to great possibility." And I really like this. And it looks like a gift tag. I've never seen anything like that. And it was $7.99. So that was probably my most expensive piece right there. Then I got this clock, which my kitchen is done in turquoise, aqua, and a mint kind of green and gray and silver. So I'm going to paint this, probably spray paint it, but I only paid $1.99 for this. And it's a really nice clock, and hopefully it works. And then, moving on, I got this basket, which I'm pretty sure is a silverware basket, picnic basket. I just like that it has leather on it. That one was $4.99. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments for me. And then also, my last item, I got this big black frame for Nick's room for $5. And I'm going to put some of his artwork or my artwork in there, but it's huge. So that was a nice find. And then, I might as well tell you about these. I went over to the Dollar Tree and found some stuff. Okay, so I'm making this. Now, you'll see the DIY for this. I'm still working on it. It is a Dollar Tree DIY that I saw on The Crafty Couple. I'll link their, when I do the DIY video, I'll link their channel. She did a lot better job than me. I'm not done yet. I like the texture, but I don't know. But it's a foam ring, and the top is half of a toilet paper roll, and then the rest is Dollar Tree spackling. So yeah. So yeah, we're checking that out. We're gonna see how that works. And then I also got at the Dollar Tree, they have now these plant holders, which is perfect. And this one's like a, I don't know, coppery color. I don't know if you can see that. It looks tan on camera, but it's more coppery. I don't know how to put it. And then they have black. They had green as well, but I don't need green. It won't match my design. Alright, so I'm gonna go back over here to the couch and spread out my finds. Okay, so I already have some things, but I found this terracotta color that I can make tassels or something with for $1 at Dollar Tree. I can keep Kyrie away from it. And I found, oh, I got more seeds. I've been planting a lot of seeds and they're coming up, so got some new ones. Why not? 25 cents each. Can't beat that. Oh, and I got some tape. I found these. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before. They were in the party section. They're wood. Little wooden utensils. So, I don't know. I'm going to do a DIY with them. I'm not crazy about this pineapple engraving, but I feel like I can paint these. And I could probably sand that because this is wood. I don't know. It's more like a popsicle stick kind of feel. Anyways, we'll see. Future DIY. And I got one of the little gray baskets, because I got one of the little terracotta colored ones before. I'm a basket fiend, I think. Okay, and I got this little it's a 2-pack of the smaller wire wreaths. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm sure there's a DIY in there. And then they have these really cool new wreaths. Well, they're new to me because I haven't seen them at Dollar Tree. Sorry about the camera. But they're made out of bamboo. And I don't know, I'm just really digging how they look. So I got 2 of those. That's some other seeds. Lettuce. Lettuce begin. Okay. And then I saw they have this fishing net out again. Gonna do something boho with this. Not sure what yet, but since it already comes, you know, like knitted with knots and everything, I'm thinking I can do something with this. It'll look like macrame, but it'll be easier. Picked up another pair of scissors because you can never have enough scissors. I can never find mine. I got a plunger because I'm gonna be making a string hanging for my room with that. Painter's tape so I can paint the clock. And just tape up everything. So, and then last but not least, I got these elastic bands in what I consider neutral boho colors. Got kind of copper, tan, and then an off-white. So I saw them and I was like, this is boho vibe with all this, you know. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but that's another thing. I'm going to do some kind of boho thing. But anyway, that is my haul for today. Oh, and if you want to know how much I spent at the cats have gotten into my crafts again. I spent at the thrift store $60, but that's not a lot considering how many baskets we got. If you've been to Michael's and even used a coupon to get a basket, then you know I've got some really serious deals going on here. And I may have to repair some of them, like this one has a little thing out there, but that's nothing I can't take care of with some E6000 or wood glue. Okay, so yeah, and oh, and the Dollar Tree haul was like 13, 14 bucks. So we'll see, and I will be filming the next video and show you my DIYs that I do from these and what I do with my basket wall and my lampshade. So yeah, stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and see, we're still moving. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel and be a part of the DIY Daisy family. Love to have you. Okay, so it's been a long day. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. And like I said, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I do the DIY videos, and we'd love to have you here. Mwah. Take care.